guys, we're going to play hidden object. Hidden object.
Hidden object.
Somewhere in the classroom there is a little object hidden, a clue for our new topic. Is it on something? On?
On.
Under?
Under.
Behind?
Behind.
Between?
Between.
Okay, now we're going to look for the object. Can you find it? Go! Search! When you see it, come back here. Okay. Jan, what did you see?
I saw a ball.
Where was it?
It was on the chair.
On the chair? Jan thinks it was on the chair. Can you repeat that? On the chair. Heather, what did you see? Everybody,
I saw a zebra between two chairs.
Heather saw a zebra between
Between
two chairs.
two chairs.
Agatha, what did you see?
I saw a giraffe under a table.
A giraffe under a table. Under a table. And Andrea, what did you see?
I saw a bottle.
A bottle?
Yeah.
Where was it?
Under a chair.
Under the chair. Jan, you're correct.
Yeah.
It is a ball. Go get it. Fetch. Sorry. It is a ball and it was under the chair. What do you think our new topic might be?
Tennis?
Maybe tennis. What do you think, Agatha?
Ping pong.
Good guess. What do you think?
Football?
Maybe football.
Volleyball.
Maybe volleyball. Heather, it's tennis.
Yes!
Our new theme is tennis.